everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the INKEY List's Ectoin Hydro Barrier Serum, which looks like this. If you see this, this is my new mic. I hope it works out for the two of us, you know? The INKEY List kindly sent this over as part of PR, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia, and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing if you also love product reviews. The INKEY List describes this as an advanced dual action serum that delivers multi-level hydration and builds a stronger barrier fast for the ultimate healthy looking skin. You can find this at the INKEYList.com and Sephora. A 1 ounce unit like this retails for $15. The INKEY List suggests that you use this twice daily, morning and night. You want to apply a pea-sized amount to face and neck, and you want to follow with your preferred treatments or moisturizer. If used during the day, of course, make sure you follow it or end your skincare routine with sunscreen. Ingredients: Ectoin. This is a hydrating, anti-aging antioxidant that also helps to promote an even tone. Ectoin also helps to reduce moisture loss and increase your skin's hydration. This also helps to soothe and reduce transepidermal water loss, very similar to niacinamide. We see 4 different weights of hyaluronic acid that hydrate and plump the different layers of the skin. We see a number of ceramides that hydrate and improve your skin's barrier and keep skin feeling supple. I also love that we see Avena sativa kernel extract to help soothe skin. I first used this on April 21st as part of my daytime routine, and it was so incredibly sad that this pilled no matter how much product I used. I did love, absolutely adored the glow that this gave my skin, so much so that I would have loved to have been able to use this much more during the day. On April 27th, I noted that I used the serum at night, 1 pump to the face, half a pump to the neck and décolleté, and I did not experience any pilling. I used it with the Murad Heartleaf Calming Moisturizer. I will link my review to that up above, and I followed it with a light oil. No pilling. Surprise! Hello. A few days later, I used it over the Sunday Riley Retinol Serum for added hydration and, of course, to see if it would pill. It did not. Surprise. On April 29th, I wanted to see if it would pill if I used it with the Skin Fix Water Cream, and, of course, it did. So I could not pair those two together in the future. A few weeks later, I noted that this serum was just better suited for nighttime use. Sad, very sad to see the glow just go to waste. Not sure just how hydrating this is, as I did need to pair it with other hydrating skincare products for skin to truly wake up feeling balanced and just comfortable. So I made that note several times throughout the test. Because the serum claims to also hydrate and plump the skin, I am going to compare it with one of my all-time faves, the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I do not have that serum in my collection any longer, but it's one of the greats. So their textures, of course, are completely different. Glow Recipe being the lightest of the two. It is almost a watery formula, and I will link my review to that serum up above. It may be an oldie, but it's still a goodie. And the price points here are completely different. Glow Recipe, $38. INKEY List, $15. The Glow Recipe unit still gives my skin an incredible glow. It hydrates, and I can truly feel the plump. Again, don't forget, glowy skin, and it doesn't pill. I can use it day, night, under makeup, no pilling. The same cannot be said for this sadly. Although hydration was not at the levels that I would have preferred for a product that claims to deliver multi-level hydration within the skin surface, I will say that I did see strengthening of my barrier. I did notice less redness, less irritation throughout my cheeks where it is very common. And I also felt that my skin felt firmer throughout the test. This did not work well with other products, specifically daytime products such as sunscreen, the most important product. This pilled on my skin when I tried to pair it with multiple sunscreens such as Murrad's Brightening SPF, Glow Screen, even the Frey Glow Me SPF pilled. All of them pilling. No! No, Piper, no. When used at night, it did work well with different moisturizers, except, of course, gel-based formulas. My favorite way to use this was by opening up my skincare routine with the Elemis Cleansing Balm, Drunk Elephant's Marula Cleanser, Paula's Choice Pore Toner, review coming soon, Biossance Squalane Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. I will link my review to that up above. And then I'd follow that with a pump and a half of the Ectoin Hydro Barrier Serum, my favorite eye products, and then 2 pumps of the Murrad Heartleaf Calming Cream. I think that if you are looking for an inexpensive skin strengthening serum strictly for nighttime use, try this. If you want to try this during the day, you are going to have to do some troubleshooting, as this is very finicky with sunscreens and makeup. I think dry to normal skin would enjoy this. Oily skin may not enjoy this, but again, if you are going to be using this strictly at night, that won't matter, as the serum is lightweight and it gives the skin the ultimate glow. For glow lovers, it's incredible, but sadly, again, I was unable to personally make this work for daytime use. And if you have successfully used this during the day, what did you use it with? Let me know in the comments. I am begging. I feel like this helped to strengthen my skin's barrier. Absolutely. This did not irritate or congest or cause any breakouts. Packaging here, recyclable. Ingredients list is great. Again, I just wished that this had worked for me for daytime use. Pregnancy safe. My cons here, this pilled with every sunscreen I tried it with, which is very upsetting considering the glow. Again, I feel like I've said the word glow like 85 times here, but the glow that this gave my skin, it's just such a shame that I had to, you know, not be able to use this during the day because it pilled with everything, so I couldn't show off the glow. So I am deducting a point for that. And this also did not work under makeup. I was filming some makeup related content, and I did not apply sunscreen because I was just going to wash it off immediately. I ended up washing this off anyway because my makeup literally just pilled. So sad. Rating. I am deducting a point for pilling under multiple sunscreens. I am also deducting another point for pilling under makeup. And I am also deducting a point because it felt like this did not hydrate my skin, as well as other products that claim to also hydrate the skin did. So I am rating this a 7 out of 10. I hated having to use this at night because the glow that this gave my skin just felt like it was going to waste. I was going to sleep anyway. But it's still good if you want a skin strengthening product. So this did fail to perform under SPF and makeup. And again, it did help to strengthen my skin's barrier, and it also made my skin feel firmer. So I will continue to use this until it is empty. And I literally felt like I needed to film this video for you because I feel like I am very close to emptying this. Like, I did enjoy this. I just wish that it would have worked for daytime use. Let me know if you have used this product by the INKEY list in the comments down below. What were your results, and would you recommend this to others? Let's discuss in the comments down below. Thank you for spending some time with me today, for watching today's video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give the video a like if you learned something new today. And I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.